friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss about conditional field in GeoDirectory. As you know, conditional field is very important in GeoDirectory. I'm showing it like at here. You can see conditional field at here, and so let's get started. First, uh, mm, in the suppose we want some field at here. You can see this is long form, and suppose property type is villa. Then I want some thing hide, show or hide, like uh, for office, for villa, industrial, warehouse. So we can add condition at here. So like bedroom is will be there if villa is available, and if warehouse as property type, then there should be no no, there should be no bedroom option at there. So for that, suppose at here, go to our bedroom field, and at here you can add conditional field at here, and in this there are lots of options at here. So at here you can get all field name at here, like category, title, description, tag, all field name will be at here. So you can select field name, like I want for category. So I will add category at here, and now I want if this category is villa, then bedroom will be shown, otherwise not shown. So for that, if we contain directly at villa, so it will not work. So we have to add category ID at here. So just go to property categories or categories option at here, and you can find category ID, and it is 143. So add 143 and save. Now check. Now you can see bedroom option. Now bedroom option is coming at here, and if you select other option like warehouse, then it is not coming. So suppose I also want to hide bathroom at here. So so just go at here for bathroom, and add show and hide condition at here, and select field at here and contain, and at here insert ID, like I am putting 143, and you can add multiple field at here. So suppose I want to show bathroom option for office also. So for office it is 144, and add condition at here. So you can add multiple condition at here, and add, and this is action, so select action and select field, and at here there are lots of option at here: empty, not empty, equal to, not equal, greater than, less than, contents. So currently I am using contents at here, and use this ID 144, especially for category. If we are talking, we are discussing with field, then there should be category ID, otherwise it contain some text. Now save. Now refresh. Now suppose I am at office, then bathroom will be there. Bathroom is here, and if I am at warehouse, then bathroom is not here. So via this you can add multiple condition at here. Now adding different now adding a different, like for quantity. So for quantity, suppose at here if price is more than 1000, then this locality will be shown, otherwise it will be hide. So for that first go to look okay, first go to locality field, and then add condition, so, and if price is greater than 1 lakh, okay. So now check. Now locality is hidden, and if you insert more than 1 lakh, then it will be shown. Again it is hidden and it will be shown. So you can add multiple condition at here. So in this example, in this demo, I explained two things for category and for greater than, less than. So you can also add hide at here, like if greater than 1 lakh, then hide, otherwise it will show to everyone. So now it is showing to everyone, and if I am putting more than 1 lakh, then it is hide it. so now you can add any this thing in any field. Like I want to add in on the plot area, then go to condition field and you can add multiple at here. So and if you not found any condition at here via UI, then you can use this filter GeoDirectory custom field output, and at here give field name and some condition at here, so you can return blank or etc. So you can add this code snippet in your code base. And why use conditional field? Because it use a simple way of add condition, personalize experience, form experience, increase conversation rate. And if you found useful, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.